Friends and family, this is Marty with Chow Dog Barbecue. Just wanted to take a few minutes and go over some of the upgrades and changes I made to, or not the modifications I made to my TS120 with the BBQ 42 attached. I just wanted to say, first of all, for the record, I absolutely love this trailer. It's the best I've had so far. Um, so all of the modifications I made to what I need are basically for my purposes only, and not because there was a design flaw or anything. I love the welds. I love everything. I made some pretty big modifications, like I added a sound system, 2 speakers, and this encloses this marine box closes my amp and my Bluetooth and everything. But on the food prep side, I've added 2 4-gallon fryers to it, so that gives me the option to cook chicken, fish, and cook the French fries separately. Cooking the chicken with the fries is not a problem, but the perception that people have when you see them cooking the fish and the fries together, I just want to avoid that. But one of the things I did is I drilled a hole in the bottom of the unit so that I could just drain my oil from there underneath. And I buy my oil from Sam, so my jug would just fit right directly under there, and without any problem. So that works for me. I just took a regular umbrella base and separated the pole from that, and then just screwed that right into the bottom over here, and that gave me the umbrella that I use for, shade. I'm out here in Georgia and it gets pretty hot out here, so I needed some shade for myself, and also to try to keep my equipment from getting my regular equipment from getting too hot. Now on the barbecue 42, now I love this whole unit. I love how I can flip it. One of the problems I had though is once you have this latched up here, as you know, it's fine, it's good and sturdy. But once you take that off, and lay it down, then it becomes, not so sturdy. You have to be careful, because what I did my first time using it is I had it down and sitting like this, and I went to put a pan on the back of it, and I ended up losing that pan down the back because I forgot that it wasn't sturdy. So what I did is I had my fabricator put me on a clasp. So now all I do is let that go on each side, and now that makes this more sturdy when I'm not using it. And also, so now it gives me the capability of putting pans on top of here and closing down my lid, and now using this as an additional warming box, or even an oven, because temperature gets pretty hot here, so I can now put pans on here and cook on here. So I think this is something that Meadowcreek should consider, just getting a spring latch like this, so I still can flip it now the way I normally do, but adding that spring latch to it allows me to capability of locking that down. So other than that, I am very happy with this unit. No problems with the smoker so far. Very happy. Just wanted to pass that along. Alright, see you guys out there. Enjoy your barbecue. Peace.